this is Thunder E from Booredatwork.com, and welcome to our review of the Hauppague HD PVR 2 model 1512. You've seen our review of the Hauppague HD PVR, which of course allows you to record gameplay. Now they also have a different version, which is the model 1512. Retails for $179. So here's the packaging right here. Typical look. So let's take a look at some of the components before we actually start delving into the full review here. So we do have, of course, some cables, AV cables here for your PS3. PS3 does not record via HDMI. You do need these cables. I've also got component cables here, all packaged for you. Good thing about Hauppague is they actually give you a lot of cables that you need. We've got the USB cable here, which will require you to connect to your computer. I've also got a set of HDMI cables. So this, of course, is going one HDMI out, you have an HDMI in, either from your cable box or where have you, or your Xbox, I mean, and your Nintendo WiiU. You also have a power plug, power adapter, sorry, here. Now, the difference with this model is you do have an IR blaster, which you can connect to your set-top box. So we'll try that out to see. We have a TiVo box. We don't know if we'll be able to connect this, but we'll try that out to see, and we'll let you guys know in the review here. And of course, you've got your Hauppague HD PVR 2 software, version 1, allowing you to record your gameplay. So here is the Hauppague HD PVR 2 version 1512. You've got your quick record button that's now standard with this design. You've also got your LED that lights up. This will light up blue around your device, and this is the front of the device here. You can see here it's quite thin. It still looks like a set-top device. Now at the back, you do have two HDMI ports here. You have HDMI in. Of course, this is coming in from your console or your PC if you're recording PC gameplay. And you have HDMI out, which of course will go back into the monitor. You have AV in, and that AV in here, of course, is for, say, TV, if you're using component cables, or your PS3. And of course, what I mean by AV cables, you would need this. You need this AV cables, and of course your component cables, and that's how you would connect those. And then, of course, you have a USB, which will go into your record device computer, your DC ports. You've got optical in on this unit, so of course if you want to have separate audio channels, and then you have your IR blaster. So we'll connect all that, we'll see how well it works, and let's find out if this actually works well. All right, so we've set up our software for the Hauppague PVR 2 1512. A few things have been added from the last software, and we'll take a look at that. First of all, we have our ARC software showbiz, which allows us to capture our device. You can see I have PC actually captured, and one cool thing about it is when you're setting it up, it will ask you what device do you have connected: PS3, Xbox, WiiU, and PC. So and as well as cable. So you see that there, and that's something that's pretty cool that actually gives you that option. So of course your capture model, of course, is still standard. You can select sources, in this case Hauppague or my Lenovo laptop, which I'm using to record my desktop PC. HDMI in, video format, you can have hardware acceleration, you can select your save format there again, of course, and your save solution. So that's very basic. Now another thing is also we can check out some of the other software. If we scroll over here, we do have the Hauppague StreamEez as well as the personal logo inserter, which allows you to create your own logos and set it up. And you just browse and search for PNG image here, and you can easily do that. So let's go ahead and capture some gameplay. So we have Mark of the Ninja there, which we are going to hit play here and prepare to launch on Steam on our other PC. And while that's loading up, you can see it's a very smooth system. Let's see, Steam warning, blah blah blah. You have launched this application on a computer. Play game anyway. So let's see. So Mark of the Ninja is there, and we are going to capture. So I'll add the capture gameplay at the end of this review, so you guys can definitely check it out. And of course, our system will light up. and you'll see that in a second. Just put the photo there for you. So we're going to click continue here. So you guys take a look. Let's see, start game. All right, in the wake. So we're going to continue. And you can see there it's loading the Micro Ninja. My mouse is moving left and right. Let's see. I died. So I'm really not a good ninja here, of course, but you get the idea. I'm using keyboard and mouse. I really prefer playing this game, of course, with a controller attached to it on my Xbox controller. But you can see, and we get our gameplay, and we can record it, and that's pretty cool. So yeah, so let's stop for now. Escape. As you can see, does a very good job there. We're going to stop our recording. Again, we'll add that for you, and you can see you can also take screenshots at the same time. So that's something you can do while recording gameplay. And of course, while we're done with that, we can easily jump to the editor, and you can see, of course, screen resizes for you there. We can jump to the editor here as we close this out, and of course edit our videos there, adding logos and things like that. So right in the editor already, your video has already been loaded for you. So we have the Mark the Ninja here, and we can drag and drop. The editor has a few tools, transitions, some effects, doesn't look like much, and of course title. Simple, straightforward editor, and you can produce the videos, and you have options to load directly up to YouTube. So that's pretty much it for the Hauppague PVR 2 1512. Solid, like it. The IR Blaster, didn't really use it. I had no need for it to set it up, but basically just allows you to set up TV show recordings and things like that, which of course it's you can easily use with software. You have, of course, again, you do have the setup software. You have the StreamEez, Arc software, and all those others. StreamEez dashboard, looking for StreamEez devices, and of course that shows you, your off air here, connectivity to video, Wi-Fi. Just giving you a whole idea of what the device does and what the software does. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, any comments, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to all our pages on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. It's Booredatwork with 2 O's. So this is Thunder saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment, and also enjoy our gameplay at the end of this video.